Once upon a time not too long ago, it felt like everyone was talking about startups. Now, it seems that the newest trending topic is artificial intelligence, AI. Can you mix the two? Most certainly. From generating content for marketing campaigns to helping with image generation, AI can be applied in multiple ways. Here's a list of top artificial intelligence tools that e-commerce startups can use to boost conversion rates, customer engagement, and customer satisfaction. 1. Jasper. Each and every e-commerce business needs high-quality content. You can think of it as oxygen. If you stop creating content, leads will dry up. When that happens, sales will dwindle and, ultimately, your business will suffocate. Melodrama aside, content plays a vital function in any business. From short social media captions to long-form blog posts, content comes in all formats and lengths. It's needed for creative marketing assets and your typical transactional texts, among other things. As such, you'll need an AI content generator in your tech stack, and Jasper is one of the best of the best. Here's the thing, when it comes to AI writing generators, it's currently often a hit or miss. However, Jasper continuously hits the mark. It's easy to learn its ins and outs, and the end result typically requires minor editing. Key features. 1. An AI chatbot. 2. Integrations with Surfer and Copyscape. 3. The ability to cite its source with backlinks to each website. 4. Support for over 30 languages. 5. More than 50 templates and the ability to create custom templates. 6. A plagiarism checker. Pricing. After a free 7-day trial, credit card required, pricing starts at $49 per month or $39 per month when billed yearly. 2. Top 10 essential AI tools to kickstart e-commerce startups. It's key that startups actively grow their presence on a variety of social media platforms. To help them with that, there's Repeat.ly. It describes itself as an interactive editorial calendar. It offers a number of AI-powered content tools, like AI-assisted writing, to ensure that you always have a consistent flow of social media posts. Then, to set your posts apart from other brands, it also links to Canva templates and image banks so that you can source visuals that match your branding. It also includes features to help with team collaboration, managing multiple accounts, and workflows. For example, if you want to use it for direct posting, it currently offers a functionality in beta for direct posting to TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Key features. 1. A monthly calendar generator. 2. A carousel maker. 3. A dynamic collection of sounds. 4. An AI hashtag generator. Pricing. It offers a free plan and 4 pricing plans. After a free 5-day trial, pricing starts at $29 per month or $24 per month when billed annually. 3. Flick. Flick is another tool that online stores can use for social media marketing. From scheduling to copywriting to analytics, it can help you with various aspects involved in social media campaigns. To get you started, your AI social media assistant will come up with unique content ideas. All you need to do is share a few topics. Once you have a few content ideas that you want to turn into posts, you can also leave the caption writing to your assistant. While it doesn't currently offer loads of customization options, you'll still have control over the tone of voice and style, allowing you to tweak it so that it aligns better with your brand. In addition to caption writing, it's also very useful for hashtags. It lets you search for hashtags which you can then save to a collection for future use. After you've added a few to your collection, Flick will also recommend new hashtags. Key features. 1. Caption writing. 2. Instagram analytics. 3. Scheduling for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn. 4. Hashtag metrics. Pricing. After a free 7-day trial, pricing starts at about $18 when billed monthly. However, if you choose to be billed yearly instead, you can save 20%. 4. Ebby. AI. Another tool that you can check out to help you with customer experience is Ebby. AI. With it, you can create an AI-powered customer assistant that can help to unlock growth opportunities. It's very easy to get set up. All you need to do is share the URL of your homepage and it will create your new advanced AI virtual assistant, tailored to your startup. You can also add logos and colors to customize it further. Aside from these cosmetic changes, your AI assistant will also continuously learn how to deliver an even smarter service. Not only is it a smart solution in more ways than one, but also versatile. It can operate on any digital channel including messenger platforms, social media, mobile apps, and your website. One of its unique features is its pricing model. Unlike most other AI-powered tools that offer a couple of subscription tiers, Ebby AI uses a pay-as-you-grow pricing model. Your first month is on the house. It will then use the first 25 days to calculate your average monthly request volume, on which your custom pricing will be based. All payments are reviewed on a monthly basis, using your rolling average over 3 months. Key features. 1. A reporting dashboard where you can find insights and capture real-time data. 2. A bespoke dialogue engine. 3. Handover to live agents. 4. GDPR compliant. 5. Support for over 100 languages. Pricing. The pricing depends on the number of requests. For 1,200 requests, you're looking at about $370 per month. 5. Phrase. Phrase is another writing tool that e-commerce startups can check out. Where Jasper is useful for content creation, Phrase concentrates more on SEO, meaning that you can use the two tools in conjunction. That being said, Phrase also includes an AI writer that can help with the actual content creation process. From blog post titles to how-to drafts, you can use it to create various types of texts. In fact, here's what Phrase wrote about how e-commerce startups can use it. Phrase is an incredibly useful tool for e-commerce startups looking to improve their online presence and drive more conversions. With Phrase, these startups can effectively optimize their website's content for search engines, ensuring that they rank higher in search results and attract more organic traffic. By utilizing Phrase's AI-powered content optimization capabilities, e-commerce startups can identify and target the right keywords in their product descriptions, blog posts, and landing pages, increasing their visibility and attracting potential customers who are actively searching for their products or services. Additionally, Phrase can also provide valuable insights and recommendations for improving the overall user experience, helping startups optimize their website structure and navigation to enhance conversions. By leveraging the power of Phrase, e-commerce startups can greatly enhance their SEO efforts and ultimately drive more traffic, engagement, and sales. Key features. 1. A sentence and paragraph rewriter. 2. Paragraph compression. 3. An outline builder. 4. An article rewriter. Pricing. Pricing starts at $15 per month. 6. Neural. Love. In addition to written content, e-commerce brands also need images. Visuals help to attract attention much easier than long blocks of text. To help you in this department, you can check out Neural. Love. On Trustpilot, it has received hundreds of reviews, with over 80% giving it 5 stars. It includes a free AI art generator that has generated more than 40 million images to date. Then, to help you improve the images, it also includes image enhancements to improve the overall image quality. If you want to incorporate more video, you can also check out its set of tools for video enhancement. It offers AI filters that you can use to do various tasks like adding slow motion effects. Key features. 1. AI-generated avatars. 2. Batch processing. 3. Audio enhancement. 4. An AI-powered HD portrait generator. Pricing. It offers a free plan, subscription option, and pay-as-you-go model. With the subscription model, $30 per month buys you 300 credits each month. If you opt for the pay-as-you-go option, you'll need to pay $57 for the same amount of credits. 7. Descript. For help specifically with video content, there's Descript. It's basically a video editor with AI-powered features. It will automatically transcribe your recordings, helping you to make your content more accessible. Its AI features will also take care of other tedious tasks like removing filler words, making it a great tool for businesses wanting to start a podcast. Boring stuff aside, it can also help to make your content more exciting. You can, for example, create a realistic clone of your voice. There are also dozens of transitions, animation presets, and effects that you can select. It also offers several features to help you with your workflows. You can write and edit your video script directly in its interface and then use live collaboration and comments to get input from the rest of your team. Key features. 1. An AI-powered green screen. 2. A template gallery. 3. Millions of stock videos and images. 4. Screen recording. Pricing. Pricing starts at $15 per user per month when billed monthly. 8. Live chat. Rated as one of the best e-commerce tools for startups, live chat is a good option for help with customer service. What makes it such a great tool for this is that it still incorporates a human element. You can use it to create AI chatbots that can take care of repetitive questions, but if the expertise of a human agent is needed, your customers can be assigned to a live agent. It's also specifically tailored for the e-commerce industry. You can use it to catch your website visitors at various stages of the customer journey. For example, if they're busy browsing, you can highlight new product ranges and suggest specific products with a personalized greeting. Once they've moved down the funnel and they're ready to make a purchase, your chatbot can guide them through the checkout process. It also integrates with a number of leading e-commerce platforms including Shopify, BigCommerce, and Squarespace. It also includes integrations with other popular e-commerce tools like Stripe, PayPal, and UPS delivery status. Key features. 1. Canned responses and suggestions. 2. Surveys. 3. Agent rating. 4. Smart chat routing. 5. A chat history and email transcripts. 6. Dark mode and accessibility compliance. Pricing. Pricing starts at $24 per agent per month when billed monthly or $20 per agent per month when billed yearly. 9. Vicens. To help you drive sales, there's Vicens. It's an AI search and discovery software solution that can help online shoppers find your products faster. Its automated AI platform is especially useful for startups operating in the fashion, furniture, or eyewear industries and has delivered impressive results for businesses operating in these fields. For example, when Zalora, a leading online fashion and lifestyle retailer in Asia, signed up for the Vicens Discovery Suite, they managed to grow their average order value, AOV, by 15%. Setting it up is pretty straightforward and integrating your whole product catalog is quick. Then, to improve the performance, you can also use smart tagging. This way, its sophisticated visual AI will add accurate tags matching shopper intent to make your products more searchable. All things considered, it can be a worthwhile investment for startups. After all, if they can't find the product, they can't buy it, right? Key features. 1. Visual AI-powered smart recommendations. 2. Visual search to complement text-based searches. 3. Smart product recommendations. 4. Merchandising analytics. Pricing. Vicens doesn't display any pricing details on their website. However, you can schedule a customized product demo walkthrough via their website. 10. Salesforce Einstein for Commerce. Another key tool that e-commerce startups can add to their tech stack is a customer relationship management (CRM) tool. With Salesforce Einstein, a comprehensive AI solution for CRMs, Salesforce users can make its Customer 360 tool even more powerful. You can use it to anticipate new opportunities, enabling you to act more proactively. It also makes it easier to create predictive journeys and personalize experiences via AI-generated emails and conversations. Other popular e-commerce use cases include smart product recommendations and tailored product sorting. Key features. 1. Auto-generated personalized emails and replies. 2. Sales forecast prediction. 3. Automated data capture. 4. lead scoring. Pricing. Pricing starts at $25 per user per month. Whether you want to explore the idea of introducing digital assistants to your team or searching for copywriting tools to help out your marketers, there are a number of AI tools that e-commerce companies want to check out. It's not to replace, for instance, your content creators. Rather, it's a tool for them to use. If you understand this and make that your end goal, the results that these tools can deliver won't disappoint you. This is especially true when it comes to content writing. Also, keep in mind that when you incorporate AI, it's not only about saving time. Yes, that's one of the big benefits. However, it's also about staying relevant. If you want to operate in a highly competitive space like e-commerce, that's a must. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.